This tool is designed to import the ceiling elements automatically, lighting fixture, air terminal, sprinklers, fire alarm, and data devices, from a CAD drawing. Before running the tool, make sure the space or rooms are available in your model because the tool uses it to adjust elements offset at the ceiling. Import the needed AutoCAD drawing. Run the tool and select the AutoCAD block in the first column. In the other three columns, select the Revit category, family, and type. You can export this setting if you need to use it in the future. Then press OK. All the Revit families will be placed automatically as per the previously selected family and type. The tool adjusts the offset of all elements. I will delete all the families and try again with the import setting from Excel. Again, all the Revit families will be placed automatically as per the previously selected family and type.